whoa. We never discussed that.
Recently, people have been talking all about Kif. But now, she's here.
Okay, brother. It's been quite a long time since we talked like this, so do you know what we're supposed to be playing tonight? I don't know. Like what? Playing more games? Oh, I like this one. So what game should we play? Brain game. Bro, we played this like 12 million times. Can we just play something? Ow! You do as I say, and I will kill your family. Wait, that's my family. Oh, crap!
Muhahahahahahahaha. What's up, my pretty people? What you are about to say is me, Chuckbeard, playing Rainbow Friends with Canle Fox until eventually get scared to death. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
God, why did I have to speak like that? Hey, have you ever wanted to visit the iconic Shovelware's Brain Game Studio and interact with your favorite Shovelware characters? Well, it's possible now. It sure is a nice day to use my computer. Now I'll go ahead and play some Roblox. What could possibly go wrong?
Stop. This is the FBI.
Dude, what the hell? Why did you have to break the door down?
Chuckbird, I am placing you under arrest because you did not play a game we specifically asked you to. Funky Friday.
Look, I had other games to play.
Yes, we did ask you to play Rainbow Friends, but not this. What the hell were you thinking? If you don't play this game within 10 seconds, your whole family dies. Clear?
Okay, I'll do anything. Just don't hurt my family, please.
Unless you want to torture yourself by watching My Little Pony.
Why I oughta.
Welcome back to another round of How Smart Are You? Let's take a look at the contestants' IQ levels. Oh, wow. Chuck's IQ level isn't so high, is it? Well, I guess he now gets the death penalty.
Wait, what? Help me.
Recently, Chuck Bird was playing Shovelware Studios Hollywood Roleplay when he realized he could unlock Shovelware Gold for a limited time. He entered the redeem code, and voila! It worked! So for this video, while Chuck and his family are on vacation, we decided to take a glimpse of what the banana guy is up to when he's not presenting Shovelware's brain game. This is the daily life of the dancing banana.
Do. Today's another lovely day.